So today we're reporting 906 new cases of COVID-19. That's our third highest total since the very beginning. Today's 906 positives include 124 kids, 18 and under. It brings our total cases not just above 50,000, almost to 51,000 at 50,885. Our positivity rate, though, has actually gone down since yesterday because we had a significant amount of tests come in. And that's good. We want that rate under 5. We really want it under 4, and if we can, push it down even further. But we definitely want less overall cases, too. There are two metrics that we're looking at the same time. We are thankful for the number of tests because it lets us react better, make sure that we can do the quarantines that are necessary and prevent it from spreading even more. But I do think it shows that we're probably being a little more lax in our daily lives than we should be right now. 906 cases used to be unfathomable here in Kentucky, and now we're seeing it more often than we ever wanted to. Let's make sure that we do something about it. So, wear your masks. Livingston County is doing it. Stay 6 feet apart. And as Dr. Stack will talk about, make sure you're really careful this weekend. It's a time when we could have major spread in the virus. Let's make sure that it's not. New cases by county. We have 95 counties with at least one COVID case today. That shows how widespread it is. I'm just going to read the double-digit ones, and that's even going to take some time. Jefferson County, 192. Warren County, almost 10% of today's results, 89. Fayette, 68. Madison, 66. Davis, 25. Greene, 21. Henderson, 20. Kenton, 20. Pulaski, 19. Union, 18. Franklin, 17. Hardin, 16. Jackson, 15. Logan, 15. McCracken, 12. Oldham, 12. Bell, Callaway, Campbell, and Scott, all with 11 cases apiece. Barron with 10. And then, the list today is 3 pages long. It'll be on the website. Don't be fooled. It's in your community. Make sure you do what it takes to protect yourself, protect your family, and ultimately protect people that you don't even know so that you're not spreading this. And I know we're asking a lot. I look back, and as governor, one of the things that you do is you travel. You have all the different means to travel. Before this, we were traveling at least twice a week, being all across Kentucky, celebrating some real exciting news that was out there. And I'm really not doing that at the moment because I'm trying to live by the suggestions that I'm making to everybody else. But I'm also a dad. I'm a husband, and I want to do what it takes to make sure I'm protecting my family too. We need everybody else out there to be thinking about it that way as well. So please do what it takes. 10 new deaths. This week is going to be probably the single largest week we've had for losing Kentuckians. Today's list includes a 72-year-old woman from Jefferson, and then also a 79, a 72, and an 85-year-old woman from Jefferson, all women from Jefferson. An 88-year-old woman from Lewis, and a 76-year-old man from Lewis. A 70 and a 73-year-old man from Jefferson County. A 52-year-old man from Barron County, and a 60-year-old woman from Jefferson. Again, we see all different types of counties. We have people in their 50s, 60s, 70s, and 80s on today's report. So, in your 50s, your parents. In your 60s and 70s and 80s, you may be grandparents. So, again, let's have those green lights. Let's honor those we've lost.